Oh, Jesus Christ. That scared the living crap out of me. What a toss spot. 932. Yeah, you're... Oh, fuck me. That was close. That was fucking close. What are you fucking doing cutting the corner, you dumb bitch? Bingo, somebody got pulled over. And what sort of fucking car is that? What sort of fucking cop car is that? That is a Kia Stinger? Coppers are using a Kia Stinger. Whoa. Flashy car for the cops.
This isn't happening. Everyone look away, please. Nothing to see here.
Motherfucker.
Hey. Fucking hell. Oh, brilliant, buddy. Brilliant. On New Year's Eve, what a move.
You should never give a dummy like that a license.
600 meters, make a right turn on Lorenzo Drive.
Bloody idiots, just pull out with no indicator. Oh, hello, the fucking dickhead kids have fucking been at it.